Hey, and welcome to Created by SD. So in this video, I'm going to assemble a party favor order. We have in this Blimpy theme, party theme, I designed these in Photoshop. So here is the chip bags. We have fruit roll-ups and also goldfish. So let's get started. So I already printed them out, and I used Jazz and J Supplies high gloss photo paper. I will leave the link in my description for this. And I printed it on my Epson Epson 2800 printer. I have so many of them, but I printed that with that. And only thing I'm going to use are my clippers, my scissors, and my glue gun. And I have my glue sticks ready. I do need to refill it up, but I do have them in. So let me get that in. Make sure it's hot and start. So we have a dozen fruit roll-ups, a dozen goldfish, and a dozen chip bags. So basically when I do these party favors, I just we have 12 of them. I purchased these from Sam's, but you can also get them from Walmart, Amazon, anywhere. 8. Sometimes I get extras just in case I mess up on the order, but I cut them out evenly and then I will glue it together. So to do my fruit roll-ups, it's really easy. So you just put it, I fold it always, save me some space, put it in the middle, and bend it, the paper. There you go. Make sure before I glue it that you can see the whole front design, which you can. And then I will grab my, make sure, my glue gun. Now this is a new glue gun that I've just been using. I don't know, it's acting funny, but I missed my old one already. And just do the sides. Glue it in together. That is dry, so I don't do it too close to the edge because I'm going to end up cutting the ends. So let's see if we do it right. And glue on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see. Don't want to put too much because I don't like when the glue come out. But let's go here. Okay, and do the other side the same. Try to go in there. And there you have it. And then I can roll my scissors with a crinkle, and just go on the edge a little bit, not too much because it may be open. Make sure I just get the white part out. And I make sure I double check. It's good, and there you go.
You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt
I am doing the goldfish now. So here is the goldfish packages, and here is the design that I have made for the Blimpy goldfish party favor. So I started doing them too already. Of course, I have my scissors. I forgot what this is called, but I will link it also to give it the little crinkle style. And sometimes I already pre-make it in Photoshop. Like for I had the chips, I already had the design crinkle here, but I forgot to do it with the goldfish, so I'm just going to use this to give it that effect.
Doing crazy dreaming, you're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me, I feel alive. My world is faster and faster, the tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. I'm in a trance, spinning out of control. Don't know what this dance is, but at least I'm not dancing alone.
Okay, so I did my goldfish and the fruit roll-ups. Now I'm on to the chips. I have my chip bag printed. These are my chips. I usually put the Doritos sign or whatever brand sign on the chips, but this person just didn't care for which brand of chips to get, so I just grabbed a box, a sorted box, and I'm gonna put any brand chips in there and put it. So see how I put this design here? I still could use this if I wanted to, but I'm gonna just leave it like that and just use my scissors to cut it once I glue it all together.
How wild it could get to love an emotional mess. You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me less. Yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get. Yes, to love an emotional mess. Yes, you wouldn't want me less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess.
Finally done. I had to stop to go pick my kids up from school and cook dinner, but this is done. So here's 12 chip bags, 12 fruit roll-ups, and 12 goldfish. These are Blimpy party favors, and it's time for me to pack this order up for my customer to come pick it up and get ready for her son's birthday party.